Alright everybody, so we're going to do something different today. We're doing a thing called lunch run, where I take a bike, i.e. the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100, and pair it with my second favorite thing in life, food. And today we're checking out a Paki restaurant, and we're going to see what it's like. My buddy Mo recommended it. I ordered it already, so let's hear the V4 on the way to get some food. Kickstand. Gotta love the way the V4 sounds. Such good low end torque and grunt, and that was barely 6,000 RPMs. Auto blip shift downshifting. I'm hoping I'm getting a lot more engine noise than I am wind noise, but we shall see in post edit how terrible I am at this. So in a time like now where most restaurants are suffering because, well, they can't do any dine-in, this is probably one of the better times to start this idea that I had called Lunch Run. And essentially what I do is I'm going to ask my subscribers and other people to comment on my videos and let me know a certain food that they'd like to try, that I should actually try out. Or if they're local Austin, they can recommend a restaurant that they think I would enjoy. It does not have to be any particular ethnicity or food or anything. Just try it all. And we'll go from there. So if you end up liking this video, definitely leave me some comments on what I should try from any food group, anything, whether it be vegan, meat eater, I don't care. It's all good. Oh no, I need to be in that lane. Ah! Oh well. I'll try to move myself. Puppy! It's an excited puppy. And we have arrived at our destination. I can't even pronounce the name, so Zavaya. We're gonna go with that. I have no idea if that was correct. Any Pakistani folks can actually correct me. I have no problem with that. But we are here. So I picked up my food. We are good to go. I'm going to find a nice park to go eat at. Oh my God! Shit. Couple bikes and an RX-7. Little FD action. So, do I go around this side? I guess so. Alright. Let's see. Entrance to this park is coming up. Hope I didn't close the park too. Not quite sure what I just saw, but I did not like it. Park is open, yeah. And unlike what the government has been telling us to do, nobody is staying home right now. Oh no, but my eating ground is closed off. Where am I supposed to eat at? I think we might have to just pull over here and grab a picnic table.
All right, so y'all might have noticed that restaurant was empty. There's nobody in there. That is the case with every restaurant here in Austin. So a lot of people are actually stepping up and ordering to go like I did today. I got the chicken biryani and some naan bread because naan is always legit. And this looks amazing. Panning shot. I don't know what this sauce is at all. Hopefully Mo will tell me what it is. And this healthy dose of naan bread, which is bigger than my face and better looking than my face too. So there's that. But I'm excited to eat this. I'm gonna chow down and then we're gonna hop back on the bike and head back into work. All right, everybody, so I'm stuffed to the brim and I still have a ton of food left. I don't know if you can see how much I have left. Still lots of food on my plate, but super good. Zavalia Grill, Palmer, Lamar, North Austin area. Really good people, fun to deal with.
Well, all good things must come to an end, and my lunch hour is one of them, so now I need to rush back and get back to my office and start working again. Luckily, we have the Tuono. We'll get there quickly. Such a beautiful bike. One thing about Corona is traffic in Austin is like non-existent. It's amazing. So much power out of this bike. This is insanely fun. This bike yields for no one, just like I kind of did back then. Alright everybody, I hope you liked this video. They have fun racing, and apparently everybody has ridden into work today. But I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy trying new food. So once again, if you have any suggestions whatsoever, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to check it out.